the anime girl. Pauline. Wow. Gusto talaga yung peg ko, color orange. Oh, show them naman what you have there. Hey guys, here's the Raymond. So cute. And now here's Pikachu. So cute, oh. Ta-da!
Papariyaki.
Cutie! Talaga yun sa... Yes, girl. Ice Dragon.
It's sleeping on your right.
Cutie! Hi, are you happy? All good here in Anime Cafe? Best. Wow. You like your food?
Yes. Very sticky.
The best. Super the best. Yeah. Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Yeah! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Yeah! Thank you po. Yeah! Ganda dito sa The Pearl.
Ayun, gusto ko, girl.
Yacht?
Instead, of
Bakit ka nagalit?
ano ba yan? Bakit ano ba yan?
Ayaw ayusin. Ayos drive.
Ayusin mo tayo nagta-drive mo! We don't talk about rats, 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 rats. We don't talk about rats.
Ang gulo mag-drive. Hey girl. Napagod na katsinelas. Ay, sarap ba yan? That's yummy? Good? I'll say good.
Cheers!
Okay.